Good day from wherever you are. My name is Montivino Valentine. I am the founder of the Pride FX movement. Now today we are doing a little bit of a short documentary on the life of Stacey Pigmentation and how the strategy was found. Pride FX is a proud partner of Xglobal. If you are someone who hates waiting long, like 5 days to 4 working days for your withdrawal to arrive, then look no further. As Xglobal offers instant withdrawals, this means that if you put in a withdrawal request, your money will reflect the same day. Xglobal is also under the conduct by the FSCA and the FSP number 51306. As a partner of Xglobal, I will be initiating amazing events, competition and exclusive events where you and a friend can go to some amazing place.
And I know it's a challenge for my competitors.
Xglobal also has the best spread and zero commission on all trades you take. I forgot to mention, if you have any problems with the company, they have a 24/7 customer line and they will get back to you immediately. Sign up under my link, and if you make a deposit of 500 Rand, they will give you 50% in credit to trade with. The link is in the description down below.
The process wasn't really nice.
Okay.
It came to a point of having to take any job just for me to find an account and find myself trading.
The Stacey Pigmentation strategy is one of the most incredible strategies for 2022. It is powered by someone who is seeing the future of Forex and has incorporated a lot of her ideas into it. There is a quote that says, behind every successful person, there is a lot of unsuccessful years. And this quote really speaks volumes in Stacey's life. Just a short summary of Stacey. After matriculating, Stacey would go and work at a retail store who we all know as Pep and would further her studies in HR. Stacey would then leave her job due to her own reasons and later on would go and work at a club. It is here where Stacey would first find out of Forex through cash flow and would undile shares. As a beginner in Forex, Stacey would try to use YouTube to get some inspiration from techniques that people use, such as the RSI and many other tools that is exposed on YouTube. Stacey would fund an account and blow it. And at the stage, she would take the money she was going to pay for her license to fund an account, and that also would be blown. This is when Stacey met Babalo Abraham, also known as Pablo FX, who would play a big role in Stacey learning how to properly trade. After 3 years of trial and error, there is light at the end of the tunnel, as Stacey has created an all-rounded strategy. The strategy costs $300, but I feel it is worth every single dollar. Let's look if paying $300 is really worth it. So first of all, they do have an app on the Play Store and it goes under the name of Pigmentation FX. You can get this app for free, and the advantage of this is that it reduces social media noise. So what do I mean by the noise? This means that they won't have other topics they are discussing with family members on WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook. And what this really does is that it leaves for one topic only, and that is to speak only about Forex. So all your messages would be directly just about answering questions and talking about the markets. The app is also easy to navigate around for new users, so you won't have a hard time to understand where does what fit on the app. There is some free content for new users to go through if you'd like to get a snippet of what the course will be about. What this also helps you do is to make the final judgment. Do you want to use the course, or is it something that you don't really like? So with all these benefits, there is also scheduled meetings, class links, beginner picture lessons, intermediate picture lessons. If you'd like to pay for the course, there is payments. You would also get a chat box. You're going to get free analysis and lessons, as well as a contact us page. The app is a good advantage because it keeps you in trader mode. And this does not make you feel out of place or out of topic, and not many other discussions could be discussed, as the app's main focus is to be only about Forex. And last but not least is obviously the course. In the first stage of the course, you're going to learn a lot about how to trade properly and the market structure in your first class. The topic would be about candlesticks, such as bullish engulfing, doji, and candlestick patterns as the norm. In the next session, you will be learning about support and resistance. In your third lesson, you will be learning about M and W formations, and also how these formations can fail. Then the fourth lesson would be all about market structure, and the last one that stood out for me as a person was the 3 market phases. In my point of view, if I was a beginner, I would really like to buy this course of $300 because it sets me up for a lifetime. It gives us the depth of information, how not to fail, because there was someone like Stacy and Pablo FX who have already failed, and teaching you how to rather succeed and not make the same mistakes they did in the past. The strategy is well balanced and could help many become good traders. If time is spent on absorbing information, learning and practicing oftenly, making time to join Zoom calls every day or every second day will put you at an advantage. This strategy is really amazing and exciting, as this can help all types of traders who are still failing to become more successful in the market. My final rating for this course is a 10 out of 10. Out of everything we have learned so far from the strategy in this review is that you're going to get an app that mainly focuses on you as a Forex trader. This app also helps you to stay in trader mode. It also helps you with no other topics being discussed, and also it helps Stacy to get much better at getting back to you immediately on the questions that you have, and she's not expecting any other questions besides the Forex topic. Number 2, the course is $300. Is it a steep price? No, I don't believe $300 is a steep price for all the time and effort that they are putting into you learning. And last but not least is obviously the strategy does teach you market structure, and it also helps you as a beginner, and at an intermediate stage when you do get to that point. And this also shows you the balance between you trading with them. So I am very satisfied, and also I would say it's an all-rounded strategy, just like I said, and it's mainly focusing on you as a beginner as well as an intermediate trader. That's it from me, signing out, Montivino Valentine.